Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. I welcome you all in 5 Minutes Information channel. I am Yusuf and this is episode number 94, and in this episode I will talk about the fake news. Viewer guidance, you can get the notes of this video lecture mentioned on the link of this video description. In this episode I will talk about the three main points about the fake news. Number one, what is fake news? Number two, what are the different types of fake news? And number three, how can we recognize or identify the fake news? The term fake news doesn't have a proper definition. The different experts have presented the different definitions of fake news. Most suitable definition of fake news is a false or misleading information presented in as a news. Fake news has also been called junk news, false news, hoax news, alternative facts. Point number two, what are the different types of fake news? As an information expert, we have to understand the three terms which is related to the information. Number one, misinformation. Number two, disinformation. Number three, malinformation. Number one, misinformation. Misinformation is called the false information disseminated without harmful intention. Number two, disinformation. Disinformation is a false information created and shared by the people with harmful intention. Number three, malinformation. Malinformation, the sharing of genuine information with the intention to cause of harm. So you understand where you use the right term like misinformation, disinformation, or malinformation. Now I come to the point, different types of fake news. Types of fake news: stare or parody, no intention to cause harm but has potential to fool. Number two, false connection, when headlines, visuals, or caption don't support to the content. Number three, misleading content, misleading use of information to frame an issue or an individual. Number four, false context, when genuine content is shared with false contextual information. Number fifth, imposter content, when genuine sources are impersonated with false or made up sources. Manipulated content, when genuine information or imagery is manipulated to devise with distorted photos or content or videos or audios. Number seven, fabricated content. New content is 100% false, designed to devise or do harmful use. Number eight, propaganda. Propaganda is a type of news which doesn't actually exist, but people making noise of these news. Number 9, rumors. Rumors are also type of news which actually doesn't exist but create hype or take advantage from these rumors type of news. So come to the point number 3, how to recognize the fake news. International Federation of Library Association and Institution publish a summary of to assist the general public, information expert, newscaster, reporters how to recognize fake news. There are 8 important points. Number 1, consider the source to understand its mission and purpose. Number two, read beyond the headlines. Go through the actual story to understand the whole news. Number three, check the authors to see if they are real and credibility and they are expert in their respective field. Number four, assess the support source to ensure they support the claim. Number fifth, check the date of publication to see if the story is relevant and up to date. Number six, ask if it is a joke to determine if it is meant to be stare. Number seven, review your own biases to see if they are affecting your judgment. And number eight, ask expert to confirmation from independent sources or knowledgeable people to know about the actual information or crime scene or the place where the news was generated. That's the end of the episode number 94, Fake News Part 1. In this episode, I discuss three main points about the fake news. Number one, what is fake news? What are the types of fake news and how to recognize the fake news? Stay connected with 5 minutes information. I will back soon. Thanks for watching till the end.